Today is 29th January 2021. In my early class, I have told you the first funny incident of Bhola Grandpa. Today, we will read second and third funny incident. Let's read. I remember another funny incident about Bhola Grandpa related by my father. The narrator recalls the second funny incident. Funny means strange. About Bhola Grandpa related by my father. Related means narrated by the narrator's father. It had been a rainy afternoon. Bhola Grandpa, wild with excitement. Wild means crazy. Excitement means agitation, enthusiasm. Bhola Grandpa, wild with excitement, being very excited. Bhola Grandpa told my father and his friends that he had seen a gang of pirates. Pirates means sea robbers, Jolodoshu. A gang of pirates. A gang of pirates, a collective noun. A gang of. A gang of means a group of. A gang of pirates, sea robbers. They were burying a large box under one of the sand dunes on the seashore by our village. Sand dunes means sand hills. এটা বালিয়ারি বলা হয়। বালিগুলো হাওয়ার মধ্যে মানে জমে জমে যেটা হিলের মতো তৈরি হয়, পাহাড়ের মতো তৈরি হয়, সেটাকেই বলা হয় sand dunes. At once, father and his friends started looking for the hidden treasure. Hidden means secret, গোপন. Treasure means wealth, সম্পদ, মূল্যবান জিনিস. Evening passed on to night. Moonlight came in through the clouds. A pack of jackals were howling. Howling means crying of the animals. A pack of jackals, another collective noun. It was past midnight. At this point of time, Bhola Grandpa confessed means admitted, স্বীকার করে নিয়েছিল, that there was no real treasure, there was no genuine wealth. It was all a dream which he had been during his midday nap. Nap means light or short sleep. হালকা ঘুমকে বলা হয় nap, তন্দ্রা. This was the second funny incident. The narrator recalls, but the narrator once heard about Bhola Grandpa from his father. On a rainy afternoon, being excited, Bhola Grandpa told the narrator's father and his friends that he had seen a group or gang of pirates who were burying a large box under one of the sand dunes on the seashore by their village. At once, father and his friends, narrator's father and his friends, started looking for the secret treasure. At midnight, Bhola Grandpa admitted that there was no real treasure. Actually, Bhola Grandpa realized his mistake and made an honest confession that it was his dream. Clear? Funny means, what I have said, funny means strange, অদ্ভুত. Wild means crazy, CRAZY. Excitement হচ্ছে great enthusiasm, ENTHUSIASM. Sand dunes means sand hills. Sand hills. Pirates means sea robbers, জলদস্যু, sea robbers. Looking for, it is a phrasal verb. Looking for means searching. Hidden means secret. Treasure means wealth. Confessed means admitted. Real means genuine. Nap means a short or light sleep. Nap means a short or light sleep. The third incident. Once Bhola grandpa had a great adventure, a daring undertaking, great adventure in the Sundarbans. In those days, Royal Bengal tigers freely roamed the dense jungles of the Sundarbans. People took care to move about only in groups, particularly after sundown. Once Bhola grandpa had a great adventure in the Sundarbans, where Royal Bengal tigers freely roamed in the dense jungles in those days. In those days, people took care to roam only in groups, particularly after sunset. Sundown means after sunset. One evening, Bhola grandpa was returning from the weekly market. Weekly market means a market once in a week, that is hard. Suddenly, at a distance of about 5 yards behind him, he heard the growl of a Royal Bengal tiger. Bhola grandpa turned and found the bright gaze of the tiger on his face. Bhola grandpa instantly climbed up a nearby banyan tree. The tiger roared and circled the tree about 100 times. Then it settled down under a bush without taking its eyes off him. With nightfall, the forest grew dark and silent. Bhola grandpa could hear the tiger beating its tail on the dry leaves. Hours passed. Dawn broke with the cooing of doves. Bhola grandpa came down. There was a group of men on a mound a little away. Bhola grandpa climbed the mound and requested the first man he saw for some water to drink. The man had seen the tiger waiting. He was much bewildered. What is your secret that you simply walked past the hungry beast and it did nothing? He asked Bhola grandpa. The tiger was stretching its limbs and yearning. Then Bhola grandpa remembered the tiger and looked at it. Bhola grandpa almost lost his senses in fear. He ran back home. Half a century later, Bhola grandpa left us forever one morning at the age of 95. His 80-year-old wife lamented much. She said with a sigh, the old man must have forgotten to breathe. This is the last paragraph. I repeat the third funny incident. One evening, while returning from the weekly market, Bhola grandpa suddenly heard the growl of a Royal Bengal tiger, and he had found the bright gaze of the tiger. Bhola Grandpa immediately climbed up a nearby banyan tree. The tiger circled the tree about 100 times. Then the night came down. The forest grew dark and silent. Bhola Grandpa heard the tiger beating its tail on dry leaves. Hours passed. But at dawn, Bhola Grandpa came down from the banyan tree. Bhola Grandpa saw a group of women on a mount a little away. Then he climbed the mount and requested the first man he saw. He requested one of the men to give some water to drink. The man had seen the tiger waiting. Being perplexed, being confused, the man asked Bhola Grandpa what his secret was, that he simply had walked past the hungry beast and it had not done anything. Then Bhola Grandpa remembered the tiger and looked at the tiger. Then, almost in fear, but being panicked, Bhola Grandpa ran back home. These were the three incidents. These were the three funny incidents. Rather, we'll say these three funny incidents narrated in this story. In the last paragraph, Bhola Grandpa passed away at the age of 95. When he was 95 years old, Bhola Grandpa died. His wife lamented, mourned much, প্রচুর দুঃখ প্রকাশ করেছিল. She was 80 years old. Bhola Grandpa died at the age of 95. His wife lamented much. She was 80 years old. She said with a deep breath that the old man must have forgotten to breathe. The last line is very important. The old man must have forgotten to breathe. These are the stories. These are the real and unreal incidents confronted each other. Now, the word meanings: adventure, great adventure in the Sundarbans. Adventure means daring activity. daring, daring activity. Daring activity. Roamed. Roamed means rambled, wandered about, walked in an idle way, মানে উদ্দেশ্যহীনভাবে ঘুরে বেড়ানো. Roamed, rambled বা wandered, WANDERED. Next, move about is a phrasal verb. Move about means wander, W-A-N-D-E-R, W-A-N-D-E-R, wander, W-A-N-D-R. Particularly means specially. Sundown, sundown means sunset. Next paragraph. Growl. Growl, growl actually the sound of an angry animal. Growl. Found the gaze. Gaze means fixed look. এক দৃষ্টে চাউনি, fixed look, fixed look. Next paragraph, instantly. Instantly means immediately. Instantly means immediately. I-M-M-E-D-I-A-T-E-L-Y, immediately. Climbed up, got into. The tiger roared. Roared means actually growled. The sound of the tiger is called roar. Settle down, settle down. Then it settled down under a bush. It settled down, it means rested. Settled down means rested. R-E-S-T-E-D, rested. R-E-S-T-E-D, rested. Settle down means rested. Nightfall. Nightfall means dusk. Godhuli, Sondha. Nightfall means dusk. D-U-S-K, dusk. Next paragraph, mount. Climb the mount and requested the first man. Mount means heap, H-E-A-P, heap. Bewildered, perplexed, confused, C-O-N-F-U-S-E-D, confused বা perplexed, P-E-R-P-L-E-X-E-D. Bewildered means perplexed or confused, perplexed or confused, হতবাক বা হতভম্ব. The tiger was stretching its limbs. Stretching means extending, প্রসারিত করা, stretching, extending, E-X-T-E-N-D-I-N-G, extending. Stretching means extending. Yearning, Y-A-W-N, yearning means opening the mouth wide. Opening the mouth wide, মানে হাই তুলেছিল, হাই তোলা, সোজা কথা. Next, almost means nearly. Lamented, last paragraph. Lamented means mourned, শোক প্রকাশ করেছিল, M-O-U-R-N-E-D, mourned. Wailed, W-A-I-L-E-D, mourned বা wailed, শোক করা, বিলাপ করা. With a sigh, she said with a sigh, S-I-G-H, sigh means deep breath, শ্বাস নেওয়া বা ফেলা. With a sigh, deep breath, B-R-E-A-T-H, B-R-E-A-T-H, deep breath, deep breath. Deep breathe. This was the story. Next class, I will discuss on the questions which will be set for the examination. Thank you for being with us.